Conestoga Energy Partners is a group of farmers and local businessmen that got together and decided to build a couple of ethanol plants, one here in Liberal, Kansas.
We produce 205 million gallons of ethanol for our 3 plants with minimal waste.
By utilizing Mapcon, we can streamline the maintenance process to maximize our efficiency in the field.
We're able to schedule things in a way that our techs are able to know how their day is going to be each day, the day before or even the week before, and we're able to keep them on task running through their projects that they may have to do, and we have a more efficient running plant.
I think my favorite feature in Mapcon is the ability to get email notifications for any work order that has been transferred into a work order, and then when that work order has been complete, along with being able to read the notes. So that really helps me identify issues that we've had and whether they've been corrected. Also being able to attach photos to some of the work requests. That's a big one as well for our job planner. When he has to walk down an issue, we have a picture attached to that, and he has a better idea or a better understanding of what he's going into instead of just reading text.
Mapcon is helping Conestoga succeed by giving us the tools we need to be successful in our industry.
Our day, if we did not have Mapcon, would be a lot less organized. Currently, we're able to access data about different pieces of equipment and assets in a timely manner.
From an operations standpoint, Mapcon really assists me on inventory control.
What Mapcon does for us is basically make sure that we have the parts and the pieces that we need in stock. They are here, they're set, ready to go.
I use my mobile device with that. I go up there and just scan the barcode, pull up my information. The fact that I can just pull up the device, it cuts time in half.
Mapcon's used for plant shutdowns. We get work requests throughout the year, and some of them are shutdown work orders, so we designate them as shutdown.
That way we know what needs to be done during shutdown, and also to prioritize them, which one needs to be done before what.
Our shutdowns are typically 3 days.
And we have a list so that if we get done early at shutdown, we can go back in through Mapcon, look at that list and say, okay, we have these other things that we already kitted and staged parts. That way we don't waste time.
Mapcon has a very ease of use when it comes to reports. They have a vast amount of reports that are already implemented into the system, and if they aren't, through Mapcon support, they'll develop and create just about any report you could ever want. I've contacted Mapcon support many times over my 5 years with our Kalen Ethanol, and through those contacts, I've had great success.
Every time I call Mapcon, they're very helpful. They fix the issue right then and there.
I've been met with a happy and communicative team that is willing to do anything required to assist us with our needs. There's not a lot of companies out there that have that great of a customer service. Either Mapcon's hired the right people or they've trained them exceptionally well.
If someone was in my role trying to purchase Mapcon, I'd tell them, get it.
I would tell them to pull the trigger. The user interface and the functionality of Mapcon is second to none.
I think Mapcon is a real robust program. It can fit in really well in any application. They've been a great company to partner up with and work with.